let's go for a little ride, man. Thanks, Paul.
Yeah, I'll get you.
Oh, is it a bit tight, is it?
No.
Thanks, man. Oh yes, mate. Bucket seats. Oh, it smells good. Hey, Paul.
Yeah.
It smells good, man.
Old car smell.
No, well, I was going to say it smells a lot better than Kate did. Oh, that snorts. Oh. Oh, mate. Oh. That is a beautiful sound, man. Go left, man. It's a bumpy road, mate. Do you get people stopping and asking you about it?
Yeah. Usually at petrol stations.
What about the swimming clubs you go to? Swinging. Oh man, it's free moving this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can we go around once again? Take me up the hill, man. There's a post box coming up. Take this right. Open it up on the hill. That wants to go, mate.
Look there, it's got a proper distributor in it.
Oh, that's lovely, that is, man. Give it the beans. Oh, mate. That gearbox sounds sweet, man.
Yeah.
Standard pistons.
No, it's got MAR motorsport pistons.
Yeah?
Because it's only got a standard dizzy in it at the moment because the dizzy from this engine has been recurved by H&H ignition. So I've had to put this one in just to get it, just so I can use it. Wrong way.
Oh, that snort, man. That's awesome, buddy. Thanks, man.
What?
That is beautiful, mate. That's the first time I've been in a Mini, like, you know, a tuned up freaking Mini, man. So you've done a beautiful job, buddy. And thanks a lot for the freaking crane, man.
That's alright, no problem.
Thank you for and for supporting us while we fucking took that fucking cross member off. Oh. Is it up and close or just close? There you go, mate. Yeah. Gorgeous. Do you take any girls out in this, mate?
No.
No? Why not?
I don't normally carry passions in it, to be fair.
Ah, I'm privileged, man. That's cool. Right, guys, that's Paul Jeffrie's Mini. Classic Mini Garage from jeffriesperformance.com. Say goodbye, dude.
See you later, guys.